Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Shopify without a credit card step by step so you can start building your online store risk-free in 2026. Many beginners think a credit card is mandatory to use Shopify, but that's not always true. So yeah, if you're just starting out or testing an idea, Shopify actually gives you ways to get started without entering card details immediately. First, go to the Shopify website and sign up for a new account. During the free trial period, Shopify does not require a credit card. You can create your store, explore the dashboard, and access most core features without paying anything upfront. Once your store is created, you can start customizing it right away. Choose a free Shopify theme, edit your homepage, add pages, and set up navigation. This allows you to build a complete-looking store before spending any money. Next, add products to your store. You can manually add products, use dropshipping apps, or connect print-on-demand services. Product setup, pricing, descriptions, and images can all be done without a credit card. You can also configure important settings, set up shipping zones, tax rules, store policies, and payment providers. Even though some payment gateways require verification later, basic setup is still possible during the trial. If you want to accept payments without a credit card of your own, you can still connect gateways like PayPal. PayPal allows customers to pay using cards or balances while you receive funds without entering a credit card into Shopify itself. Use this trial period wisely. Test your store layout, prepare marketing content, and understand how Shopify works. This way, when the trial ends, you already know whether Shopify fits your business goals. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.